good afternoon. We're tracking some clouds out to our west. High pressure keeping us mostly sunny here through the morning and early afternoon hours. But as I mentioned, more cloud cover off to our west. That's going to be moving on in. Little pockets of moisture may bring a few light showers through midday. Not expecting much of an impact. You may see a few sprinkles out there this afternoon and evening, especially as you get towards, as this moves towards Columbia. Again, around the 7 o'clock hour, could see just enough moisture to pop a few sprinkles. But for the most part, we're dry through the evening hours. Just seeing a lot of clouds into the overnight, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions, we'll say through midnight. And then we turn our focus to what's out to our west. We'll start to see more moisture move in. Clouds may even thicken a bit. We're watching more chances for showers, maybe even hearing a few rumbles of thunder by the time we get to Wednesday morning. You fast forward in through, we'll say midday Wednesday, things may break off a bit, but we're still watching more moisture out towards the west, closer to the heart of this system, heading into Wednesday afternoon. That's when the rain becomes more widespread for folks here in central Missouri, closer to Columbia. Could see pockets of heavy rain, few embedded thunderstorms as well. Not expecting severe weather, I should mention that. But once we get into Wednesday into Thursday, we're looking at decent amounts of rain. We could see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches over the span of, we'll say Wednesday afternoon through, we'll say Thursday evening. So decent amounts of rain moving in. Not a complete washout, but just soaking rain over the span of 2 days. Fast forward a bit, or I should say into this evening, we're looking at some dry conditions. That small chance of showers not going to be too impactful, so we'll keep the forecast dry here, but we are picking up cloud cover. Now we forecast, or fast forward into Halloween for your Halloween forecast. We're looking at likely an evening temperature in the 50s. Now Sunday, Halloween day, we will likely get up into the 60s, but into the evening hours we're cooling down a bit. A pleasant night. Cloud cover keeps us from dropping too fast temperature-wise, and around 8 p.m. should be a pleasant night to get out. Hopefully things have dried a bit. A little bit of Halloween stats for you. We're not going to get close to any of the extremes. We'll be close to our average as far as a high goes. And rainfall, we may see close to 1 to 2 inches before we get to Halloween, but it should have time to soak into the ground. We won't be dealing with wet weather on Halloween. Halloween looking dry right now. Here's a look at your forecast overall. Wednesday, that chance for rain enters, we'll say around midday to maybe even the noon hour for folks in the west. As you head further east, that time frame becomes much later, but we'll likely see rain lingering through Thursday, maybe even through Friday morning. Saturday and Sunday looking dry, giving you some time to dry out before you and your kiddos head out to maybe get some candy on Halloween. Sunday evening looking fairly nice with temperatures again down into the 50s by around 8 o'clock or so. And then we round out Monday with the chance for some more sunshine.